So in the class 9 we are discussing cell organelles. Today let us try to understand the cell boundary. A cell boundary having plasma membrane or an additional coat cell wall. Let us try to understand cell wall and plasma membrane or cell membrane. So cell wall means what, children? So if you take a cell and having nucleus along with other cell organelles and an additional coat over it, for example you take like this, is present, it is called cell wall. But in some cells doesn't have any, what we can say, any additional covering. So we can draw vertically like this, right? So then you can understand it doesn't have any additional coat over it, so it having a covering, it is called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. So a cell either having a plasma membrane as its boundary, or some cells having plasma membrane along with an additional covering cell wall. So what are the examples? Prokaryotes like bacteria having cell wall, and blue-green algae, PPLOs, that is called mycoplasmas, and fungi along with all plant cells. These are nothing but eukaryotic cells. All of these having an additional coat over it. But only animal cells having plasma membrane, they don't have any additional coat over it. Why? This is a big question. Why the animal cells do not have cell wall? Why all of these having cell wall? The very important thing, we'll take an example, a eukaryotic cell, that is plant cell, it having a cell wall for maintaining turgidity. What do you mean by turgidity, children? For example, two persons inside, one person is outside pushing you, another person from inside pushing you. What happens? If a person internally pushing you, there may be a chance of bursting or blasting. If two brothers, outside and inner person, pressing you in the same manner, doesn't happen to anything to you. So like that, the plant cells absorb the water from the roots, and when this plant water enter into the cell, there may be chance of entry of more and more water in the cell. In the animal cells, they have excretory system, they eliminate excess water through urination or by formation of sweat, protecting the cells from bursting. But in the plant cell, they don't have any excretionary system or any sweat producing system. To protect themselves from this entry of water in the cell, they have an additional coat called cell wall. What the cell wall do? When the water enter into the cell of a plant, what happens? This bulges and create pressure on the wall of a cell wall. At the same time, the cell wall create a opposite pressure of a cell to prevent the cell from bursting, means breaking. So this is the important function of a cell wall in a plant or any other cell. The cell wall is having same composition in all the cells? No. The cell wall is made up of different materials, chemical compounds. In a plant cell, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. You might have understand that cellulose take important part in what I would say roughage. In the 8th class, 6th, 7th, you might have understand cellulose. It cannot digest in our body. If we eat green leaf vegetables, it cannot digest. Or it may be made up of hemicellulose, the other form of cellulose. These are carbohydrates. These are all carbohydrates. Pectin, lignin, suberin. These are the different chemical compounds or composition in the cell wall of a plant that is made up of. What about but it's a fungi. The fungi cell wall is made up of we can say the another important chemical compound and bacteria. You can take an example of bacteria. The bacteria cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. So these are the different kinds of chemical compounds. The fungi cell wall is made up of the other chemical compound. So chemical compound is different in a making of cell wall. Now let us try to understand what I would say plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? So plasma membrane is a outer covering of a animal cell. For example, you take this wall. What this wall is made up of? Bricks, sand, cement, etc. Can you walk through this brick? No, you have to enter through the door. But the plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins that is flexible, children. In some cinemas, you might have seen the scenes. Some villains come through the wall and wall will be settled like that. In the same manner, anything enter into this plasma membrane, because it is a permeable, impermeable, selectively permeable, means it allows substance through it. It will give a side, and when anything enter in it, then it will close immediately. This is called fluid mosaic model of a plasma membrane. So plasma membrane is important covering. It is the boundary of a cell. It allows the substance and exit the substance through it. It is very important for maintaining of inner cell world. So it is a selectively permeable sometimes. It is a permeable sometimes. It is impermeable sometimes. Means what, children? Something has to enter into the cell. It is, we can say, what you have to say, permeability. Everything enter in it. Permeability. Selectively permeable. Something only enter in it. Not all. Only something cross through this plasma membrane. It is called selectively permeable. And impermeable means some things never ever enter into the plasma membrane. For example, skin. If you pour oil, water, anything, the skin allows in your body anything in it? No, it is impermeable to water, oil, everything. The same manner, according to situation, the plasma membrane function as selectively permeable, impermeable, and permeable. So we have to understand this chapter separately given in the 9th class, 4th chapter, plasma membrane, detailed study. You can understand it. You have to understand it is phospholipid. It is made up of phospholipids and a fluid mosaic model. So different models are there. Sandwich model is there. Robertson unit membrane model is there. That it is elaborate topic. You don't need now in the class of 9th. In the intermediate, you can come to know that. Just you have to understand how it is. What is made up of phospholipids? It is made up of what? Phospholipids. It is not that much of radius of cell wall. Cell wall is completely permeable, but plasma membrane is not completely permeable. According to situation, it allows the substances in a cell. Okay, thank you.